Every time you decide to change your life, it starts the same. You stay consistent for a few days, then somehow you're back at day one. If that keeps happening, these 5 mistakes are probably the reason. The first mistake is quitting after one bad day. One missed workout becomes a missed week. One unhealthy meal becomes an entire cheat day. Not because one mistake ruined your progress, but because your brain believes the streak is already broken. That's the trap. One mistake doesn't destroy discipline. Quitting after the mistake does. The second mistake is relying too much on willpower. Most people think discipline means saying no. Actually, the most disciplined people rarely have to because they make the decision before temptation arrives. They put the phone away before studying. They prepare tomorrow's work the night before. They don't trust future motivation. They trust today's preparation. The third mistake is loving starting more than repeating. Day one feels exciting. New goals, new routines, new motivation. But discipline isn't built on exciting days. It's built on ordinary ones. The people who change their lives aren't obsessed with starting. They're obsessed with showing up, especially when nothing feels exciting. The fourth mistake is breaking too many promises to yourself. Every promise you keep sends your brain one message. Every promise you break sends the opposite message. That's why confidence disappears. Not because you failed, but because you've stopped believing your own word. Start making smaller promises. Keep them, then slowly make them bigger. Trust is built the same way it's lost, one action at a time. The fifth mistake is waiting for another perfect start. Monday, next month, after exams, after vacation, you're always waiting for the perfect time to begin again. But every day you wait, your old habits get stronger. You don't need another day one. You need your next decision to be the right one. Your life doesn't change because of one perfect start. It changes because you stop giving yourself reasons to quit. So don't focus on reaching day one again. Focus on never staying there.